A house bathroom sink is one of those everyday fixtures that we often take for granted, but it plays a crucial role in our daily routines. It's where we wash our hands, brush our teeth, and sometimes even sneak in a quick splash of water to freshen up. But have you ever stopped to think about how it actually works? At its core, a bathroom sink is a simple yet ingenious piece of plumbing. It starts with the basin, which is typically made of porcelain, ceramic, or sometimes even glass. This is the part that holds the water, and it's designed to drain efficiently. The sink is connected to a drain, which leads to the plumbing system of your home. When you turn on the faucet, water flows from the pipes into the basin, and when you're done, gravity helps it flow down the drain. Now, let's talk about the faucet. This is where the magic happens. Most faucets have two handles, one for hot water and one for cold. When you turn the handles, you're actually opening valves that allow water to flow from the supply lines. The mixing of hot and cold water gives you the perfect temperature for washing your hands or rinsing your face. Some modern sinks even feature single-handle faucets, which allow you to control the temperature with just one movement. It's all about convenience. But what happens to the water once it goes down the drain? That's where the P-trap comes into play. This is a curved section of pipe located beneath the sink. Its shape is crucial because it holds a small amount of water, creating a seal that prevents sewer gases from coming back up into your bathroom. It's a simple yet effective design that keeps your home smelling fresh. If you've ever experienced a slow drain, it's often due to a buildup of hair, soap scum, or other debris in the drain or P-trap. Regular maintenance, like using a drain snake or a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, can help keep things flowing smoothly. And let's not forget about the overflow drain, which is a small hole located near the top of the sink. This feature is a lifesaver if you accidentally leave the faucet running. It allows excess water to escape, preventing a potential flood on your bathroom floor. In terms of aesthetics, bathroom sinks come in a variety of styles and designs. From sleek, modern bowls to classic pedestal sinks, there's something to fit every taste and bathroom decor. Choosing the right sink can really elevate the look of your space while still being functional. So, the next time you wash your hands or brush your teeth, take a moment to appreciate the engineering behind your bathroom sink. It's a perfect blend of form and function, making our daily routines a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. Whether it's the simple act of turning on the faucet or the clever design of the plumbing, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye.